New sales reps have one job in their first 30 days: start selling. If they're spending that time in CRM training sessions instead of calls, that's just time you don't get back. Most CRM onboarding is a live session. Someone screen shares Salesforce or HubSpot, walks through logging a call and updating a deal stage or building a report. It takes an hour, sometimes two, and it happens once, usually in the first week before the rep has any real deals to practice on. By the time that rep actually needs to log their first real call 3 weeks later, they've forgotten half of what was covered because there was nothing to anchor to in the moment. So it delays the actual ramp. Either they guess and get it wrong, or they interrupt their manager to ask. Instead of a session about logging a call, a guide shows up the first time a rep actually tries to log one, right there in the CRM at the exact step they're on, using their own real deal instead of a training example. New reps learn the CRM by doing real work, not by watching someone else do it in a training room 3 weeks before they need it. And because the guide's right there every time, not just the first time, managers stop being the CRM help desk for every new hire's first few weeks. This is exactly what Tango's built for. A sales ops leader or a top rep captures the CRM workflow once, logging a call, updating a stage, whatever the process actually is. And Tango automatically turns it into a guide that shows up automatically inside Salesforce or HubSpot right when a new rep hits that exact step. No live training session to schedule, no manager pulled away from their own pipeline to walk someone through it again, and no rep sitting through an hour of training for something they won't do for real for another 3 weeks. Sales teams that train in flow instead of in a classroom get new reps to their first deal faster because the CRM stops being the bottleneck between hired and selling. Get reps selling faster, not sitting in a training. You can try Tango for free at tango.ai. I'm Mark, let's Tango.